How to make money with your passion. You might have heard of others enjoying a fun and fulfilling career related to their passion. They get to spend their time at work doing things they like. What about you? Do you feel as if you're chained to a job you loathe? Do you dream of making money with your passion? Take heart. Whether you're looking for a fulfilling career or wanting to bring in a second income stream, you can start making plans today for a successful venture making money from your passion. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. You can be pretty sure that there is something you love to do that someone would gladly pay you for right now. There are 3 critical steps to making money with your passion. 1. Determine all the ways you can monetize your passion. When you start brainstorming, it's important to do so in a way that moves you toward success. Most people immediately try to figure out why something won't work. However, if an idea is immediately attacked in this way, the idea tends to be dismissed too quickly. Every idea, even the best idea, will have challenges associated with it, so record all your ideas without prejudging them. Capture as many ideas as you can and then take a few days, maybe even a week, before you approach those ideas critically. Give your brain some time to really ponder on them for a while. A few nights of sleep can create some spectacular results. Give each idea at least a few minutes of consideration before making a decision. Many excellent ideas are quickly ignored before they are fully investigated. Be open-minded. Because we associate our passion with fun, we don't really consider the financial value that activity might have to others. 2. Know that you're already an expert. One common challenge you may have is the belief that you don't know enough. But you don't have to be the world's leading expert to be valuable and get paid. Ask yourself the following question: do I know enough about this subject to be able to teach the average person enough to at least get them started? If you can answer yes, then you know enough to charge people money for your expertise. It's similar to being a math tutor. You might not have a PhD in mathematics, but you could still probably tutor a 5th grader and get paid for it. There are plenty of people out there that are the equivalent of a 5th grader when it comes to your area of expertise. Being an expert is relative. You are already an expert compared to many. So, if you could sit down and teach the average person something of value, you already know enough to make money at it. That doesn't mean you shouldn't continue to educate yourself and improve your knowledge and skills. But it does mean that you can get started making money as soon as possible. 3. Believe you can do the impossible. Many things are commonplace today that were considered to be impossible not that long ago. The 4-minute mile is a common example. It was considered to be impossible for a long time. Then it was accomplished and over 15 additional people did the same thing over the next 3 years. Even high school kids have broken the 4-minute mile barrier. Of course, making money from your passion is not impossible, but most of us believe that it is. So you have to believe you can do what you feel is impossible. The easiest way to do this is to surround yourself with people that have already done it. If you can see others that are doing what you want to do, it's like brainwashing in reverse. If you see their reality every day, you'll believe that you can do it too. If you can understand how these 3 steps can work for you, it's only a matter of time before you can make your living with your passion. Who could you be helping right now? Keep in mind that there are things that you love to do that you can do better than the average person. There are also people out there looking for your expertise. If you can simply find each other, you're all set. 1. Do some research on others who make money with their passion. You'll find that few of them are in any danger of being the next Bill Gates, yet, they do very well. That should be reassuring to you. There are plenty of opportunities for regular people with a passion in a field to excel. 2. Your biggest obstacle is not a lack of skill, experience, or credentials. It is simply the result of too little creativity or courage. With enough creativity and courage, anything is possible. Focus your energy on those 2 items. It improves all aspects of your life. Tips for success. Even though you'll be enjoying pursuing your passion in your new business, it's still a business and you'll want to see it bring in profits. Endeavor to develop these attributes for success in putting your passion to work for you. 1. Successful people have a relatively accurate perspective about what is possible. Consider this: if your perspective on everything in the world was actually accurate, you'd most likely be wealthier, happier, and more capable of bringing your dreams to life. We all have perceptions that are inaccurate. Strive to imagine what you can really do. 2. Understand what steps need to be taken. Many of us waste our time on activities that don't have much impact. Determine which activities are priorities for profits and spend more of your time on those activities. 3. Complete the tasks that you know must be done. Not all business tasks are pleasurable, even if you're passionate about the business. However, successful folks do these necessary tasks quickly and enthusiastically. Make that first dollar. Psychologically, it's very powerful to actually make some money at your passion, any money at all. Even if it is just $1, it demonstrates that you're capable of getting paid for your passion. Don't underestimate the power of getting paid for the first time. Be persistent until that first payday happens. Conclusion: making a great living at your passion is something that anyone can do, even you. First, you must believe that it's possible. Go find some people that are already doing what you want to do. They're out there, and finding them with the internet is easy. By spending time with them, even electronically, you'll begin to believe that you can do the same. Brainstorm all the possibilities with an open mind. Take a week before you start really looking at the ideas critically. What seems like a bad idea on day 1 can look pretty good on day 8. Take action and make that first dollar. A simple sale can make all the difference in the world. $1 and you're off to the races. Give yourself the chance to make money doing what you really love. You can do it. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.